everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing an amazing 3-step rice facial for instant skin whitening and glowing skin. It's totally natural, super easy and perfect for all skin type. So without time, let's get started. So first is cleansing. Take 1 tablespoon of raw milk and 1 teaspoon of rice flour. This will gently remove dirt, oil and dullness from the skin. Apply it on your face and massage gently for 1 to 2 minutes. Second is scrubbing. Take 1 tablespoon of rice flour and 1 tablespoon of curd. This scrub removes dead skin cells and gives a natural glow. Gently scrub your face 2 to 3 minutes, especially on nose and chin area. Curd has lactic acid which brightens the skin and rice flour make it smoother. Now the final glow is rice facial mask. Take 1 tablespoon rice flour, 1 teaspoon curd, 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel and 2 to 3 drops of glycerin. Mix well. Apply this mask all over your face and neck. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. This mask deeply hydrates, whitening the skin and tightening the skin. Next is apply rice toner or rose water. If you found this facial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such videos.